Okay, so my colleague's just going to put up some air behind the screen so we can see where it's leaking. So there we go. You can feel the bubbles coming through, and it goes all the way down as well. There we go, so we've got more bubbles there, and then if we quickly jump round to the other side, we quickly spray our bubble solution on this side here. That's it. We've got obviously off at the top, so it needs a screen refit. So as you can see, we've got a lot of holes around the screen. Right, okay, so obviously on the inside, it's very mouldy, so it's going to need a good double deep clean and an odour kill, probably twice, because of the amount of mould spores, and it's all the way through, even on the tailgate, passenger side as well. Up underneath the dashboard, it's actually furry under the dashboard, and we've got these bits here. And there's a big puddle of water down in on the driver's rear footwell as well, so as we can see, big puddle of water there as well. So it's a case of, I don't know if you want us to put an estimate together, because this one is going to be a bit of a, how can you put it, uneconomical to fix, but obviously it's down to yourself. If you'd like to give us a contact call once you obviously watch the video, and then obviously we'll take it from there, what we're going to do. Okay.